Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and navigating to Personalization so you can change the lock screen and screensaver behavior. Click or tap Desktop, choose Personalize, then select Lock Screen and scroll to Screensaver Settings. This opens the classic dialog. Once done, make sure your account has permission to save preferences. You'll be taken to the Screensaver Settings window where you choose a screensaver, preview it, and set the wait time, so begin adjusting options now rather than later. Now you pick the actual screensaver and its behavior. From the drop-down, select an option like blank, bubbles, or photos. Choose photos to show your images and click settings to point to a folder. Set the wait time in minutes and toggle on resume. Display log-on screen if you want sign-in. This secures your machine. Click preview to confirm how it looks, then apply so Windows remembers it. If you change your mind, repeat these steps to fine-tune timing and images. Finish by applying your choices and testing them immediately. Click Apply, then OK to write the settings, lock your PC, or wait the configured minutes, and observe the screensaver starting. If it doesn't start, make sure screensaver settings weren't overridden by group policy or a third-party app. Also verify power and sleep timeout values so the display doesn't turn off first. One key troubleshooting tip: check background apps and antivirus overlays that can prevent screensavers from launching, and disable them briefly to test.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.